For the packet destination address, Bridges consults its routing table और routing information carried in the packet. पैकेट के अंदर जो information है उस information को जो bridge है वो read करेगा और फिर उसके अकॉर्डिंग ही वो उस information को आगे किसी भी LAN में send करेगा. Bridges handle function at both physical and data link layer of the OSI model. ये दो layers पे काम करता है, data link layer and the physical link layer of the OSI model. Bridges main function is performed using the data link layer. These allow selective packets through them. Bridge only passes those packet that are addressed for the node in one network to other node in the another network. The bridge can also make this distinction by looking at the source and destination addresses contained in the packet. The bridge built a table of addresses from which it can directly identify the packet are sent from which LAN to which LAN. So bridges basically make a distinction on the basis of these LANs, okay, for which LAN this packet is meant for. Bridges are independent of the upper layer protocols such as TCP/IP, SNA. They are more complex than repeaters. When connecting two LANs, bridges create single logical network at the data link layer. In single logical network, any user can communicate with other user that uses the same protocol. Bridges is used to connect similar type of LAN such as token ring to token ring. Similar type of LANs can be connected with the help of a bridges. LAN that bridges connect can operate at different speed. जिन LANs को bridge connect करते हैं उनकी speed अलग अलग हो सकती है. Translate bridge, a complex bridge that connects dissimilar LAN is called translating bridge, as Ethernet LAN and a token ring LAN. Bridges, when bridges filter data, it can be forward a packet with certain features. Bridges filter data packet by packet destination address. Each packet contains source and destination address. The bridges built a table of addresses from which it can identify that packet are sent from which LAN to which LAN. The source address is the address of the sending device, destination address is the address of the receiving device. So this is all about the bridges and about different types of networking devices. I hope you have understood this and you will gain a lot of this. Thank you very much.